Hello everyone, I'm Sevinch from Kaya Academy and today I'm going to talk about how to use Instagram stories. How is your relationship with Instagram stories? Every day 300 million people use Instagram stories that create stills and video sequences that disappear 24 hours after being sent. In case you somehow missed it, Instagram announced its latest feature, Instagram Stories, a new, very Snapchat-inspired component of the photo sharing app. Users can now upload off-the-cuff or behind-the-scenes photos and videos to their Instagram story, which lasts only 24 hours before disappearing without disrupting the aesthetic of your Insta profile. If you're already a Snapchat addict, the process of uploading to Instagram stories is pretty much identical to uploading a snap, but if you're new to the world of stories, consider this your Insta Story 101. At first, click the plus arrow in the top left corner of your Instagram feed to start a new story. From there, tap on the circle button at the bottom of the screen to take a photo or hold it down to record a video. So I'll take a video or photo from there. So maybe a photo could be good. So just like that. And then to add or drawing to your photo or video, use the buttons in the top right corner. To add a filter, swipe left or right to choose from 7 different options and tap the check mark at the bottom to add it to your story. That's it. To save your story to your camera roll, hit the download button on the right of your story. So to save it, just hit the download button on the right of your story and it's just saved. You can also upload boomerangs, photos and hyperlapses to your Instagram story. To monitor who can view your story, click on the 3 dots in the bottom right corner and then click Story Settings to select any users you wish to block from viewing your stories. And voila, you're on your way to becoming an Instagram story star. Now all we need is Insta's version of the pretty filter and we're good to go. I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching and have a great day.